Solve the simultaneous equations showing clear algebraic working. Okay, so you're not allowed to just sort of come up with values of x. You need to show your clear algebraic working when solving this sort of thing. So you've got 4x plus 3y is equal to 7, and 5x minus 2y is equal to minus 20. So first of all, label the 1 and 2. So write out the first one, and then write out the second one. So either you can make the x's the same. You do that by multiplying the top one by 5 and the bottom one by 4. Or you go for making the y's the same, and you do that by multiplying the top one by 2 and the bottom one by 3. It is actually easier to make the y's the same in this question. So we're going to multiply the top one by 2. 2 times 4 gives you 8x. 2 times 3 plus 6y. 2 times 7 is equal to 14. So don't forget to also multiply the last term. The bottom one here we're going to multiply by 3. So 3 times 5 is 15x. 3 times minus 2 is minus 6y. 3 times minus 20 is equal to minus 60. We're going to add these together. So if we add these together, we're going to have 8x plus 15x, which makes 23x, plus 6y minus 6y gives you nothing. 14 plus minus 6d gives you minus 46. Fortunately, 23 does go into 46. And so we're going to get that x minus 46 divided by 23 gives me minus 2. We now have to find the y coordinates. So you can either substitute back into 1 or 2. So we'll substitute x is equal to minus 2 into equation 1. So instead of x, I'm now going to put minus 2. So it's 4 times minus 2 plus 3y is equal to 7. 4 times minus 2 is minus 8 plus 3y is equal to 7. The opposite of minus 8 is to add 8 to both sides. So that gives you 3y is equal to 7 plus 8, which is 15. Divide both sides by 3, you're going to get that y is equal to 5. Finally, writing out the solution, you got that x is equal to minus 2, y is equal to 5. So this has been a video to show you how to solve simultaneous equations by using the method of elimination. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.